Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, September 28th, 2011. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 2 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 1172, and we had a high probability gap fill. You can see right off the open they went down and filled the half gap, bounced up to our moving average and came down and ultimately filled the full gap. It was when we crossed the moving average we had our first signal, and unfortunately for us that signal came down and hit our entry point to the tick, and as you know, just one candle coming down hitting you is not going to fill you. So the trade went on. It was a perfect entry point, but unfortunately no fill on that trade. So don't get any tick count on that first move to the upside. And the market pushed up until the 10 o'clock reversal time frame. Then we had a cross down through our moving average, gave a signal short. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks to the downside. The market continued to sell off through the early part of our first session, all the way down near the previous day's lows. Found a little bit of support there, had a nice quick move right at the 10:45 confirmation time, gave an extension entry that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 6 ticks to the upside as the market went up and tested the back side of that previous day's close. Found resistance there, came back down through our moving average, again on another extension style entry. This one only produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 5 ticks as the market pushed down, reconfirmed that lower support area, bounced off that level, gave another fast move up, extension entry. We weren't so lucky on this one. It didn't follow through up to its swing high point there, so we ended up taking a small loss on that one, T1 minus 2. And then from that point, the market just kind of went sideways, and then after the lunchtime dead zone, it went ahead and shot up and filled what would have been a larger target. So pretty productive morning for us, and the market continued to climb. Now during the dead zone, 11:30 to 1:15, we do not initiate any new trades. You can see the market came back down through our moving average, but we're not interested in trading during the red portion you see of the screen here. We wait until after 1:15. And the setup we had, the market sold off pretty hard down until 2 o'clock, came up through our moving average, and this is just the way you hate the end of day. We had a signal, we went up, we hit what would have been a potential target for our first contract. It didn't fill. I'm sorry, went up and hit our first potential target. It didn't fill, and then it came down and hit us right to the tick on our stop. Unlike when we're trying to go for profit, one candle doesn't do you any harm, but when you're going for when it hits your stop, as you know, it's a market order sitting down there. So ended up being a full stop out on that trade, T0 minus 14, and just took away the ticks we accumulated in the morning. So a lot of work today for 2 ticks, 6 trade 2 ticks. So that's trading. You can't always have it those massive tick days. You have to give some of it back once in a while. So I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.